Today, we are gonna fix Windows Update error. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. Before we begin the video, I would like to share some information. Many laptop users, especially those with Dell and Microsoft Surface laptops, are currently experiencing this error. I have gathered solutions that have worked for others on forums such as Microsoft and Reddit, and have combined them into a definitive solution. I highly recommend that you watch the video until the end to ensure that you can fix the error. Our first solution is to use the Windows troubleshooter to resolve the Windows Update problem. This program helps to solve problems in Windows. To open the troubleshooter, you come to the Windows logo and click on Settings. Then we click on Update and Security. We click on Troubleshooter from the left menu. Then click Additional Troubleshooters written in blue. Finally, we click on Windows Update and then run the troubleshooter. The troubleshooter will scan the problems with Windows Update and fix them. I did not encounter any problems since I solved this problem before the video, so it is normal that nothing happened for me. However, a solution process may start for you. The process is complete, and that was our first solution. Our second solution is a bit more complicated. We will delete the data stored by Windows Update and thus reset the Windows Update program. First, we open CMD to turn off Windows Update. We right click on and select Run as Admin. Then we click Yes in the window that appears. You need to copy and paste the code I put in the description. An authorized person in the Windows forum has shared this solution, so it is safe to do. After pasting the code, we press Enter. Then we paste the second code. We minimize the CMD window and open Windows File Explorer. We find C drive. Go to the Windows folder. Find the software distribution folder among the folders and delete this file. This file contains files such as old drivers and Windows Update settings. Deleting this file will not harm our computer. After deleting the files, we return to the CMD window and restart the services we closed earlier. You can also find these codes in the description. We can close CMD after the second code has run. Now we can check whether the error persists by going to the Windows Update. As you can see, there is no problem. Our third solution is very simple and short. I want to share this solution because a user mentioned it on Reddit and it worked for some people. We type Update in the search bar and go to the Windows Update. We click on Pause Updates for 7 days. Then wait for 1 minute. Waiting for 1 minute is important. If you click directly, it will not work. After 1 minute, we click on Resume Updates, and the problem is solved. I think we can say that this is a bug in the error. I hope it works for you too. For our first solution, we will also use CMD as in the second solution. However, this time the code we will write to the CMD will be different code. This code will scan the system files on our computer and repair them if there are any missing or corrupt files. We type CMD in the search bar and run it as an admin. We type cfc/scan now and press Enter. This code is also in the description. This scan and repair process usually takes between 3 and 5 minutes. After the scan is finished, we can close CMD. After closing CMD, we should restart our computer once. This was our last solution. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.